Ar Lafar, gŵyl Gymraeg i ddysgwyr sy'n cael ei chynnal ar safleoedd yr Amgueddfa Llyfrgell Genedlaethol. Ar Lafar is a festival for Welsh learners with opportunities to have fun lessons to take part in all sorts of activities across Wales. Dyma gyfle gwych i chi fwynhau siarad Cymraeg yng nghwmni dysgwyr eraill, yng nghwmni siaradwyr eraill, ac i ddysgu mwy am hanes Cymru ac am y cyfoeth sydd yn yr Amgueddfa ac yn y Llyfrgell Genedlaethol. It'll be a fantastic opportunity for speakers of the language, learners of the language, and those who don't yet speak Welsh to come together to have taster sessions, to enjoy various activities, and hopefully to enjoy speaking Welsh together. Gallwch chi fynd i'n gwefan dysgucymraeg.cymru neu fynd i safleoedd gwyr Amgueddfa ar Llyfrgell Genedlaethol. You can find out more at learnwelsh.cymru and also at the museum and the library's website. Croeso cynnes I bawb.